Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we will calculate the derivative of x to the power of x. So I can write it either derivative of x to the power of x divided by dx or x to the power of x prime. So if I want to calculate the derivative of x to the power of x to the power of x divided by dx, this I can write it. Actually, let's take out the derivative. X to the power of x, I can write it as x to the power of x, I can write it as e to the power ln of x to the power of x. Yeah? Because e and ln cancel each other. So here I did not change anything. So now if I want to calculate the derivative of x to the power of x, all what I have to do is calculate the derivative of e to the power ln of x. Yeah. So, but I know that e to the power of whatever, the derivative of e to the power of whatever variable is e to the power of that variable multiplied by the derivative of the variable. So this is equal e ln of x to the power of x multiplied by the derivative of ln of x to the power x. Yeah? But here I'm gonna use, on that side here, I want to use the logarithmic rule that say ln of x to the power of x is equal x ln of x. So this is equal e ln of x to the power of x times, I can write x ln of x. And I want to calculate the derivative of this one. And x ln of x, it resembles like u times v, which is equal u prime v plus u v prime. And in that case, u is equal to x, so u prime is equal to 1. And v is equal ln of x, so v prime is equal 1 over x. Derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. So my problem would become e to the power of ln of x to the power of x times, I will apply this formula, u prime v plus u v prime. So u prime is equal to 1 multiplied of ln of x is ln of x plus u, which is x, and v prime is 1 over x. That's the derivative. So now here x divided by x, I can simplify it. So this become e to the power ln of x to the power of x times ln of x plus 1. But e to the power of ln of a variable is the variable because e and ln cancel each other. So it is equal x to the power of x multiplied by ln of x plus 1. So this is the derivative of x to the power of x prime. The answer is here. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me tremendously. And if you push the like button, I would really appreciate it. Thank you for listening.